I want to see if this crochet kit actually makes what the listing shows. So when I was looking for items for my last Temu haul, which I'll link below and above, I started seeing all these crochet kits popping up. And honestly, that made me very curious. I wanted to know, are these actually legit or just using pretty pictures to sell kits that don't turn out anything like what they show? So naturally, I needed to order some to see what was actually gonna arrive. I tried to pick kits that I normally wouldn't design myself or stuff that just looked interesting. I avoided anything that looks super AI, but if you want me to try those too, let me know in the comments and I'll grab a few. For this one, what caught my eye was the listing itself. If you look at the pictures, the strap is different in just about every picture, with some of them showing the strap is crocheted, while others show it as something that comes with the kit and added after. The bag looks kind of different as well, where one, it looks super polished, and then not so much in another picture. So I really wanted to see what the pattern actually looks like, what I'm gonna get in the kit, and is this gonna turn out like it's pictured? So before we even open it, this is the package it came in, and it feels kind of small for everything I'm supposed to get. So that's already interesting. But let's open this up and see what I got and start making it. But before we dive in though, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you don't miss the rest of these kits when they show up. I'm buying these to see if they're a scam, so you don't have to. Okay, so just a reminder, this is what it says that I'm supposed to get, and it looks like it's supposed to be jute yarn, pattern, crochet hook, and all of the stuff to make this. So let's open up and see what we got. Okay, I opened it up. So this is the pattern. You know, they're trying to cut down on shipping, so I don't totally blame them for it getting a little mussed up. But it does have a QR code, that's why I'm not opening it up, so I don't give away the pattern for free. But it has a QR code to take you to a video tutorial, so I'm gonna see how that looks, as well as how this pattern is written once I get into it. But let's talk about the yarn. Supposedly it was supposed to be jute. This is definitely not jute yarn. I have used yarn like this before, and this is t-shirt yarn. It should still make a good bag, but not as described. Okay, and then for the rest. So it does look like it comes with its own strap to attach. It is like a carabiner or like a pop-open kind of clip, and then it's got something to, I guess, make it shorter? I don't, what? What do you even do with that? Like it's, I, I don't know how that's supposed to make it shorter. It just goes up and down and it's like all the way through. Maybe I'll figure it out by the end of the video. Or maybe the video will, or the tutorial will tell me. I do like the braiding on this. I kind of like that it is a aftermarket strap and not the actual yarn, especially with this being t-shirt yarn, but the color match is a little off, so we'll see how that looks. Then it looks like it gave me a crochet hook. This is looking like a 7mm, so an L hook, which will probably create some pretty tight stitches with the t-shirt yarn. I'm going to use the hook that it comes with, just so I can give it a full fair shot, so that if you don't have a 7mm, which I have plenty, we'll see how well it works, so you know if you need to get other crochet hooks if you're going to buy the same thing. Then we have 5 locking stitch markers and 2 plastic yarn needles, and those eyes, it may take a little work to get that yarn through those eyes, so I may have to use one of my yarn needles. I'm gonna try everything that comes in the kit though to see if it's really an all-in-one kind of thing. But I'm gonna take a look at the pattern and see how well it's written. Okay, taking a look at the pattern, I'm glad that it comes with a video tutorial. There are some things that are slightly confusing. Not super great instructions. Instead of rows, it goes into groups, which I think is because you're doing the back and front at the same time. So This is going to be really interesting. I'm going to take it slow, but if you're brand new to crochet, this could be super confusing. Not super user friendly right off the bat. I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to look at the video first because I want to see how good of quality it is and if it talks you through it or just shows you or what exactly you're going to get. Okay, I just watched the video, not the whole thing through, but I watched parts of it to see how it looked, and then I'll go back to it if I need to. But glad they have the video because the written instructions don't explain that at all. With the video instructions, it is hands up close, so just kind of like how I do mine. It does do a voiceover, but it's one of those computer generated voices, so it has some captions and then the voice reads the captions. We'll see how helpful it is if I need it. I'm going to try to work off just the pattern, and if I get stuck, I'll go to the video and see what the heck it's talking about. I do not see anywhere in the patio, in the pattern where I'm using locking stitch markers, so we'll see if those come into play at all, but otherwise I just have some more free locking stitch markers. I also didn't want to watch too much of the video because I want to see how this pattern works out without it. I want to see if I get what I paid for. So I'm going to get going on this and I'll show you little snippets in between while I'm making it. And then we'll come back and see what it looks like at the end and if I got what I paid for. So let me go start crocheting. Okay, so I finished the project and I am actually very happy with how it turned out. So, a couple of notes. It said it's jute yarn. It is not jute yarn. It's actually not even really t-shirt yarn. I would give it more of the feel of like a thick pantyhose, but I actually like that better because jute is not super comfortable. So this is like fairly soft. It's not uncomfortable to have like against your skin. I was also really worried that I was going to run out of yarn. It was looking very small, but I had quite a bit left over, so that was a plus. It is like a fairly small bag, so this is how big it is. I've got the strap in there to show you next. But you know, it's like a little cute accessory. It's super cute. I think it's adorable. The pattern, you definitely probably are going to have to use the video until you get the hang of it. So not knowing how to read that pattern, the video super helped. And once I got a few rows into it, I understood the rest of the pattern, so I didn't quite have to go back and forth to the video. A brand new person might need to stick with the video, but the video was very helpful and clear to understand, so that was a plus as well. Also, I used the crochet hook that came with this throughout. It reminds me of why I don't really like plastic crochet hooks. They're just not super comfortable, but it was perfectly fine. It worked perfectly well for the pattern, so you don't have to buy anything extra to make this. Everything is included. Did not use the stitch markers at all. Those are just a gift for my next projects. So that's that with the materials. My only complaint is, okay, I'm in the middle of editing and I had to jump in here because I have another complaint and I totally failed to mention it in the video, and that is the major complaint that this is not what was pictured. Technically. Yeah, it's a shell bag. However, the two pictures I showed you, I'm going to put this in front of me so you can see what I'm talking about. The more rough one, it matches fairly well. I think it still looks slightly different than that. Plus the strap is crocheted, which is totally different. And then you have the more refined one, which is definitely nothing like this. And the strap is not matching this strap. So the closest that I got to this matching was the material list. So that did show the strap that I received, and that yarn looks more like this, even though it says jute, because it's not jute. However, I should get what I paid for, which is what is pictured, and I don't understand why they didn't just take a picture of this and put that up, which would have been way better, and you won't have people feeling ripped off because they didn't get what was pictured. So it's kind of disheartening for me to have to make these videos. They're fun. I get to crochet, I get to see how other people write patterns, and hopefully it'll improve my patterns. You know, the writing part, make sure it's stuff that's confusing. I'm not doing that same kind of thing. However, what I see is what I should get. I shouldn't have to be pleasantly surprised because it's not a scam, which is really kind of the overall, like, I liked how it turned out. However, I was more happy because it is what I ordered, kind of. You know, I don't feel ripped off on this one. And spoiler alert, hit the notification bell because I'm already working on a couple of the other ones, and I definitely felt ripped off on some of these. So that's the overall theme, is that sometimes these are not what is pictured. So my number one tip for these ish, it's a range of tips. Look at every picture on the listing closely, look for differences. Look at if there's a material list. Does it match the pictures? Is it showing? The material list is probably going to be the more honest if they're just taking pictures of things that are similar. Look at the description. Usually there's not a great description, but look at the reviews. And that's another spoiler because future me or past me, when I've actually already experienced it, I should have read the reviews on at least one of the other ones that I purchased already. So check those out when you're picking things. Now I'm going back to tell you my other complaint about this guy, is this strap. And I have enough yarn left over that I could crochet a strap, but if you are new and you don't know how to do that, that's, you know, not going to be great for you. But this strap is like super long. Like, let me see, it's like, it's probably cute for like where it's hanging, but the color just doesn't quite match. I still don't get what these are for. So if anybody knows, like it's either super simple or it just really doesn't work. I don't know how to shorten it. It just kind of, it goes back and forth, and that's it. It doesn't shorten anything because this is braided. So it's not like you can pull one side or the other. I don't know. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. But overall, I am pleasantly surprised with this kit. It worked out well. I would recommend it. I will link it in the description. But yeah, it was not a scam. So this one gets my thumbs up. So let me know. Would you try a Temu crochet kit? Tell me in the comments. I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.